everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Fun Coding. Today, we're going to tackle a classic coding problem of LeetCode that often appears in technical interviews and coding challenges. The problem is question number 2053 called Kth Distinct String in an array. Let's dive right in. The challenge: imagine you have a list of words, and you want to find the Kth distinct word in that list. A distinct word is a word that appears only once on the list. Example, let's say our list is D, B, C, A, and we want to find the second distinct word. Here's how we'd break it down. Distinct words: the only words that appear once are D and A. Order matters: D is the first distinct word, and A is the second. The answer: since we want the second distinct word, the answer is A. Code breakdown. Now, let's look at how we can solve this problem using code. This is a C++ solution, but the logic can be applied to other languages as well. Let's break down the code step by step. Initialization: we create a map called map to store the words and their distinct status, true for distinct, false for non-distinct. We also initialize a count variable to keep track of the distinct words we encounter. Marking distinctness: we loop through the list of words. If a word is already in the map, we mark it as not distinct. If it's new, we mark it as distinct. Finding the Kth distinct word, we iterate through the list again. If a word is marked as distinct, we increment the count. When the count reaches k, we return that word. Empty string: if we reach the end of the list without finding the Kth distinct word, we return an empty string to indicate there aren't enough distinct words. Key points. Hash maps: we use a hash map to efficiently store and retrieve the distinct status of each word. Order preservation: we loop through the list twice to ensure we maintain the order of words. Edge cases: we handle the case where there are fewer than k distinct words by returning an empty string. Let's practice. Now that you understand the code, try implementing it yourself. You can use different input lists and k values to test your solution. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.